This series of videos will cover the basics of the pen tool and introduce you to the Adobe Illustrator Workspace. What you're looking at here is the basic Adobe Illustrator interface, the Workspace. I'm using Adobe CS 5.5 and I'm on a PC, so yours might look a little bit different. So to make sure we're on the same page, open Adobe Illustrator, then click on Window, Workspace, just hover over it, Essentials. Make sure Essentials is checked. So your workspace should look very, very similar to mine, even if you're using a later version. So the pen tool is the basic skill for Adobe Illustrator, and to really take advantage of all the great things you can do with Illustrator, you really have to be pretty good, or not, well, I wouldn't even say good. You have to know how to use the pen tool and what it's capable of before you can really take advantage of all that Illustrator can do. So before we can use the pen tool, we have to have a file open that we can draw on. Okay, in other words, kind of like a piece of paper on the screen that we can draw on. So here's what we do: click File, New, and after some time, my computer's very sleepy. It'll default to, it'll say New Document Profile, it'll default to Print, and the size will be letter. That's the default Illustrator size, and that's fine. Just click OK. And here's what you'll see: a blank piece of paper, so to speak, a canvas that we can draw on. Now, 99 times out of 100 I'll tell you to save the file, and but this, we're just doodling. We can just keep it untitled. You can follow along, play along with the pen tool in the next few videos, and then when you close this file, just don't save it. So I'll see you in the next video, and we'll get started on using the pen tool.